Assalamu alaikum students. This is a session of grade 2 mathematics. So students, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. So students, now open your books, math books, and open page number 26. Okay? Open page number 26. Okay students, write down date first. Okay, 17/8/20. Okay, 17 August 2020. Write down classwork. Okay, at the top of the page. Then student, you have the topic is ascending and descending order. Okay, about ascending and descending order. So students, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so student, you have this numbers. Okay, different numbers, and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, so students, you know very well that ascending order started from smallest number. Okay, ascending number started from smallest number. So students, in this numbers, which number is smallest? In this, from these numbers, which number is smallest? Yes students, yes, tell me. 73, no. 12, no. 38, no. 6, yes, 6 is the smallest number. Okay, so you have to write 6 here. Okay, after 6, what number will come from these numbers? 6, then 27, no. 24, no. 41, no. 94, no. 12, yes, 12 number will come. Very good. Then after 12, what number will come from these numbers? Yes students, after 12, yes. 27, no. 24, yes. Very good. Then after 24, what number will come from these numbers? 27, very good. After 27, what number will come from these numbers? 38, very good. After 38, what number will come from these numbers? 41, very good. What number will come from these numbers after 41? 94, no. 73, yes, write down 73. Then after 73, what number will come? 94, very good. Okay student, now move to the next one. You have these different numbers. Okay, and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, so ascending order is started from smallest number. So here is the smallest number. Which one is the smallest number? 428, no. 112, yes. After 112, what number will come from these numbers in one series? Okay, 140, yes. After 140, what number will come from these numbers? Yes, 315, no. 635, no. 286, very good. After 286, what number will come from these numbers? 635, no. 350, yes. Okay, then after 315, what number will come? 428, very good. After 428, what number will come? 635, yes. After 635, what number will come from this number? 730, and then 845. Okay, okay students, now you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay, you have these numbers, different numbers, and you have to arrange this number in descending order. Okay, descending order is started from greatest number. Okay, so what is the greatest? Which one is number is the greatest? 591, yes. Then before 591, which number we have? 591. Then lesser one. Which number is less than 591? 410. Yes. Before 410, which number will less than 410? Yes, 325. Very good. Then before 325, which number will less than 325? 214. Very good. Before 214, which number will less than 214? 125. Very good. Then 125. Yes. 68. Yes, 68. Then before 26, before 68, which number will less than 68? 26. Very good. And then 3. Good. Okay, in student, next one is you have this different kinds of numbers, different numbers, okay, and you have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So descending order started from greatest number. So which one number is greatest? 770. Yes, 770. Then which number will less than 770? Yes, 560. Very good. Then before 560, 394. Very good. Then 394, which number will less than 394? 310. Very good. Then before 310, which number will less than 310? 220 or 228? 282. 282. Very good. Then before 282, 220. Then before 220, which number will less than? 170. Then 100. Very good. Now students, open page number, come to page number 27, write down date first, okay, and write down class work. There was the 17 August 2020, 17/8/20, okay, ascending and descending order is the topic, okay. Write the given numbers in ascending order, okay. So students, you have these numbers, okay, and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, okay. So ascending order started from always in smallest number, okay, from smallest number. So student, which number is the smallest number from these numbers? 105. Very good. After 105, 118, 119, 118. Very good. After 118, what number will come up from these numbers? After 118, 119. Very good. After 119, what number will come from these numbers? 122. Very good. After 122, what number will come from these numbers? 145? No. 127. Very good. After 127, 135, then 140, and then 145. You have this 200 series, okay, 200 series numbers, okay. So which number is smallest? 210. Very good. Then after 210, what number will come? 212. Very good. After 212, what number will come from these numbers? Find out. Let's find out. 280, 228. Yes, 228. After 228, what number will come from these numbers? 245? No. 235. Then you have this two couples of 235, okay. So you have to write 235 on both sides, okay. Then after 245, then after 245, what number will come after 245? 278, and then 287, okay. Now 300 series numbers, okay. So firstly, which number is the smallest number, okay? 310. Yes. After 310, what number will come? 314. Very good. After 314, what number will come from these numbers? Let's find out. 343. No. 323. Yes. After 323, 334. Good. Then after 334, what number will come from these numbers? 343. Excellent. Then 367. Yes. Then 387. Then 398. Very good. What number? Okay, which one is the smallest number here? 838? No. 819. Then 823. What number will come from these numbers? After 823? 828. Very good. After 828, what number will come from these numbers? 838. After 838, what number will come from these numbers? 863. Okay, then 863, 876. Okay, then 887, and then 893. Okay, so students, you have to do this homework. Okay, write the given numbers in an ascending order. This is your homework. Inshallah, we will meet you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz, all of you.